Hey guys, making this totally random, but I just came home and we went to the pizza shop, and for dessert, yeah, they served more things than pizza. But speaking of pizza, they had dessert, and guess what? I have to tell, right? So I got a Nutella pizza, and I know, guys, this don't look like poop, right? Listen, it's Nutella, okay? And you might be saying, Ariel, you're so gross. Like, why would you eat Nutella and cheese, whatever toppings, No, but it's just like baked pizza bread dough and Nutella on the top. That white stuff is like sprinkled down there is like sprinkled sugar. Try it. Even though I ate when I was pizza shop. That was good. Okay, guys, so don't mind the background. So, yeah, let's eat this. Oh, sorry. So I guess I could say something. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna make another video or something. But basically, this is guy like in like a different classroom, like in a different, not in a different grade, like in the fourth grade, but like not in my class. And every time I talk to him, he smiles at me. What do I do? I'm not even gonna say comment down below, cause my comments don't even be working. Yeah, guys, I don't know how I could tell me what I should do, but just think about it. Think what I should do. If you thought about it, yeah, this video is literally about to end. And